great stone of cold fire, it is I, Pterano, the chosen one. You see? I touched the stone, yet I do not burn. It is a sign.
Yes, yes.
Get on with it, will you?
In the name of the noble flyers who ruled the world so long ago, I beseech you, great stone, bestow upon me your gifts. I said, bestow upon me your gifts.
You fool! You rockhead, you!
That was a cold fire, Pterano. Where's your magic powers?
What is the meaning of this?
It means we're taking over C. Now scram!
Oh, no! I should be the leader, me!
Come on, you stupid slab, show me the power!
No, me! Show it to me!
I knew it was just a dumb old rock.
Oh, I wanted to make everything perfect. I was going to create a paradise.
But we already got paradise back in Great Valley. You no need to fix. Just got to not break. Speaking of break.
Earthshake! We have to climb away from here. We do. How? We'll never get off the mountain in time.
Mama!
Whoa, that is one big flyer. Huh?
Oh, Petrie, I was so worried. And Ducky. As for you...
Honestly, I never meant to harm anyone. Things simply got out of control.
Petrie was right. Somewhere inside, you are good. Yeah, fine, whatever. Now, can we all get out of here? Okay, Petrie's uncle. This is a much nicer ride than the last time. It is.
Quite frankly, Pterano, your behavior has been inexcusable. But in light of the fact that you helped save the children, your punishment will be reduced.
It will?
Yes. We have decided that you should be banished to the mysterious beyond until 5 of the cold times have passed.
5 cold times? That's so long.
Yes, and some of us think it should be a lot longer.
Oh, now, please. None of the Far Walkers want anything to do with me. I'll be alone and defenseless in the mysterious beyond. Is that really fair?
Yes!
Oh, let him stay. He's very sorry.
That may be, but it doesn't change what he did. And he must be responsible for that.
Petrie,
But
she's right. We must all be accountable for our actions. I'll be fine.
I will miss you, Uncle.
Perhaps someday I shall return to the herd and prove that I can be trustworthy. I know there is much I can contribute if given the chance. I shall miss you too, Petrie.
Now go on, you. Scoot. Go on. Scoot.
Then again, there are others I shan't miss at all.
Do you think there ever really was a stone of cold fire?
Well, it was cold, and there was fire around it.
Oh, please. Like I said, that was just a dumb old flying rock. There wasn't anything magic about it.
Yeah. Anyway, what we need with magic, when we got each other.
Hey, the Firewalkers are about to leave. Let's watch them go. Hey, how did you get back here so fast?
Quite a sight, isn't it?
Yeah. Are you leaving too?
Any time now.
That falling rock I saw, it never was a stone of cold fire, was it?
No, but you see, the stone never really mattered. It's what you did to discover the truth about it. That is what's important.
Wait! There's so much I don't understand. Why was that flying rock I saw different from the rest? Is there really such a thing as a stone of cold fire? Who are you guys?
You have a sharp mind, Littlefoot. Quite advanced for your species. Oh, I mean, for someone so young.
Oh, thanks.
Remember this, Littlefoot. There is much more to what you call the great circle of life than you can possibly imagine.
Out in the mysterious beyond?
No, as we said to the three-horn, beyond the mysterious beyond. For example, when it's dark at night, all of those tiny lights in the sky are actually other... Well, that would be telling, wouldn't it? Life is not a game, my friend, for losing or for winning.
And when you think you've reached the end,
it's only the beginning. Oh, will you look at that?
What? Look at what?
Beyond the mysterious beyond.
Beyond the mysterious beyond.
You know that nothing ever ends there. And you might find that you have friends there, somewhere beyond. The mysterious beyond. The mysterious